Rolling Thunder, Unveiling the Power of Nature and Expression. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and powerful phrase, rolling thunder. This phrase is not just about weather. It's a vibrant example of how English can paint vivid pictures with words. Let's dive in and uncover the layers of meaning behind rolling thunder. Rolling thunder refers to the sound of thunder that seems to rumble across the sky. It's a sensory experience, involving both the sound and the feeling of this natural phenomenon. The word, rolling, suggests a continuous, reverberating sound, like a drumbeat echoing through the clouds. This section will include real-life examples and sound clips of thunder to enrich understanding. Beyond its literal meaning, rolling thunder is often used metaphorically. It can symbolize something powerful, unstoppable, or approaching. In literature, music, and speeches, rolling thunder can represent an impending force or a build-up of emotion. We will explore examples from poetry, song lyrics, and famous speeches to see how rolling thunder enhances the impact of language. In many cultures, thunder is associated with gods and power. This section will briefly touch upon how different cultures view thunder and how these views influence the use of the phrase, rolling thunder, in English. Understanding these cultural references can deepen comprehension of English literature and expressions. Here, we will focus on how to correctly pronounce rolling thunder and use it in a sentence. We will practice different intonations to express various emotions, from awe to fear. This practical exercise will help learners incorporate the phrase into their vocabulary effectively. We hope this exploration of rolling thunder has illuminated not just the phrase itself, but also the beauty and complexity of the English language. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication. It's a way to experience and express the world around us. Keep learning and enjoying the journey through English.